Large Projects Division with the L.E. Myers Company recently completed the remaining portion of Mount Storm to Valley Rebuild Project. The line is 64 miles long and runs northwest from Augusta County in Virginia through the George Washington National Forest to Grant County in West Virginia. Phase 3, the final leg, included 71 structural replacements. There was over 60 miles of access road needed to get to these different areas. You can look at one structure and it may take you an hour or up to 2 hours to get to that structure just because of the way the roads intertwined and moved in and out.
It's a beautiful area. These mountains are wonderful. I grew up in the region, camping and hiking in them. It's a different beast when you suddenly have to be productive in that area. Getting major equipment up these cliff sides, working on saddled areas with drop-offs on either side of your pad, significant pulls that reach almost a mile across a valley is definitely daunting.
We actually started planning this project with Dominion. We provided them a constructability plan to help them navigate through some of the processes of what was needed out there, and we worked intimately with our fleet group to develop certain equipment that we needed that was specialized to get into these tight configurations. So we would build the new tower and remove the old tower at the same time. So we limited our impact in the area and capitalized on the efficiency of removing one and setting one at the same time.
Throughout the construction of this project, we had a number of relatively recent team members become heavily involved. This was a complicated project that allowed them to see the full scope of our operations, all the planning that goes into it, the difficulties we might face, and how some of our skilled employees can overcome those challenges.
And that was kind of the cool part, the fact that they had to really think it out and think through that it wasn't some simple everyday transmission build with a normal flat right of way. Every structure had its own plan, so it was a great job to learn in the field on.
Due to our stable relationship with Dominion Energy, it's been a great place to train employees, and it continues to be so through the performance of this project.
I started back in 1984, and I would classify this as a marquee project that I can say that I'm proud to be a part of and had great success on.